to my house. You don't want to leave.
I love you.
I don't love you. Leave this house.
Please, you're not like this before. What has come over you?
Oh, I'm not a madman.
No.
I'm not a madman.
No.
Is it not? I'm not a madman. See, you will be in this house and I will bring in women. I will sleep with them on our matrimonial bed. By then you will see stay.
Yes.
What do you mean, madman?
Baby, please. Wait, 40 seconds. I'm not going to waste time.
Okay, we'll collect something.
Baby.
What is the meaning of that now? Why are you telling the keke man to wait for you next 40 seconds? Is it because because I don't last in bed? I come on time. That's why I'm asking keke man to wait for you next 30 seconds.
Baby, let's go inside. Don't worry.
How much is it?
200.
Shabi will take you back, Abi.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
Baby.
Take care of yourself.
Madam.
Okay, I know my man. Not the waste time.
If you tell me 40 seconds, now 20 seconds, I will call you.
Okay, I'm not the go. Not the waste time. I know.
You still came back. You want me to kill you?
No.
Eh? I want to kill you.
Please, please. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, please.
No, please stop this. Bro, stop this. Stop it. Stop it. No, stop it. Let me alone. Why are you always beating your wife morning, afternoon, and night only to beat woman? What's it be your problem? Because of woman outside, you don't they pump, baby. Also say you be pump action. Please, excuse me. If you don't say you get power, why you no go they fight wrestling or boxing? Man, no say you use your power to do something. Come to the day house to the rake. Shabi, you okay? You get power, Abi? Okay. No, you get power, Abi. They beat woman, beat by SARS. Just wait till they come.
Can't do anything. Get out. So you want to bring someone else? For them to beat me in my own house. By the time I finish
Hey.
By the time I'm done with you.
The author I finish our fate. Hey. Why they finish woman? My brother, these are the man who they beat your wife. I don't bring your fellow man now. I better help me beat him.
Now you the beat woman.
He's always beating his wife.
So you want to bring your people?
No, now you have your fellow man. Fight with him, beat him.
No. They beat woman.
No. Okay, they don't push it. Oh,
please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Baby. Please.
It's a very wicked man. Very wicked.
No. You go beat him again. No, sir.
When they beat him, I go grass.
Sir,
look at you now. See, look at your life. Think about your life. I beg, please, let's go. Please excuse me. No, I beg, please. Forgive and forget. Don't go beat other people for outside.
Baby, I'm sorry. Hope you're not sorry. I'm sorry.
No, please,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you for saving me.